If you guys want to know about this new snack alert from Cheesecake Factory, come on back.
The truth is, I'm not really sure what happened.
If you came through, there's no reason to prove.
Hello, family. I've already made breakfast. I did not take you guys through the process this morning, but hubby is home, so I made him some breakfast. He doesn't eat bacon though, so I'm leaving that on the stove while he sleeps. And Joshua is up hollering, of course, but I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my breakfast, and I will see you all shortly. Hey guys, I haven't forgotten about you. I will be dropping my videos soon, probably more like Sunday, Monday. I have just been grounded with my classwork, so I have a deadline. I have to get it done by Sunday. So but I will show you, that's basically been my life. Get up, shower, get Joshua fed, play with him a little bit, get him a nap so that I could do some work, and trying to make things like for dinner or breakfast in the oven so that I could kind of just leave it and come back to it. In fact, I'm gonna show you guys the steaks that I have some nice ribeye steaks that I put in the oven, and I'm cooking them to get that caramelization on it. I'm cooking really slow because they are thick. I want them done throughout, and I don't want the brown sugar that's on them to burn before the steak gets done. So I'm gonna show you guys those in the oven real quick, and then I gotta get back back to my coursework. But I haven't forgotten about you guys. I got my nails taken off so that I could go ahead and do a nail video or get some nails back on, preferably the length that I prefer, but I will see how that goes. If not, I will get around to it. But I do have another spring bag coming up, just a couple things, so I will definitely be getting that out. So as you can see, I have the stove on 350. I actually was gonna cook it down on 325, but it's cooking so nicely. Look at that. And you see how thick they are, but they're gonna be nice and tender on the inside. Now, if you want them to really cook even better on the inside, you can cover them. I'm just not gonna cover them. I want them to just end up with a crust. I want the fat to get nice and like fried. And if you cook it slow, you could get that. So, sorry, I'm actually messing up my temperature. And then I have my onions over here. So I will put those through once I flip the steak. So I put it in there for 30 minutes on one side. At 5 o'clock, I'm going to flip it over to the other side, let that cook for 30, and then right before that, I'll probably throw these on like 15 minutes into it because I have to take his out. He likes it medium rare, and I like mine well done, so I'll have to take his out a little early. But let me get back to my classes. Hey, real quick, just want you guys to see what the steak is looking like so far. And you see, nothing is burning. It's cooking in its good juices. Flip it over. You can get this side to cooking. Now, technically, my husband will want his out already. But I'm going to go ahead now and add the onions. That way, once they do cook a little bit, I could take his out. Let me take some of the juice off so it doesn't end up coming off on that side. Okay, real quick, I got the onions on there, took some of the juice and stuff off, poured some back on top of the onions, and I'm gonna let it go ahead and finish. Okay, I'm all done with mine, guys, and I am going to tear into this bad boy. I'm not even having sides with it. It's such a huge steak. I am just gonna enjoy the steak, but it's nice and caramelized and yet still juicy. All right, back to my classes, guys. I want to share this again for those of you who may not have seen it in my other video. I'm still studying. I've been studying for hours, but my coffee is still hot because of my coffee warmer with my lid. So check that out on Amazon. I learned about these lids through Fearless Fiend, and I use it religiously. I even got my mom a set as well, and The lids come in 3 different colors. Well, they have various ones, but the ones that I got, it was a set of 3, I think. Yeah, because she got her own set. I have my own set. But the light illuminates to let you know the coffee is hot, and then when you remove it, it lets you know it goes off. Okay, and it really keeps it hot if you, but this is the trick, having a cap on to keep the heat on the inside. All right, so back to this program. Hey, while I'm working on my classes, I am enjoying a new snack alert from Cheesecake Factory. So if you want to know what it is, go grab your coffee and come on back. Okay, so after opening it, I realized it should not be frozen. We had it in the freezer. It is a pudding, so you should be able to eat it as soon as you take it out. So refrigerate it once you get it. So once it comes to more like room temperature, I will let you guys know how it tastes. Okay, real quick, I told you guys I will let you see how it looks once I actually, so it's nice and at room temperature now. It still has a nice chill. The white part has a cream cheesy-ish, if you can think about that, kind of cream cheese-ish pudding. And then the bottom is a nice chocolate pudding. So they're both pudding, but you can, this is like a cheesecake that kind of just made into a pudding or something, but not bad at all. I wouldn't mind it with, I would prefer it with strawberry. But all right, let me go because Joshua's being busy. This is a pink sterile cover that matches like my AirPod case, but I did not know it comes with a keychain. So that's a nice surprise. Cute little rhinestone keychain. Getting Silver Bullet ready for springtime. Isn't the little keychain so cute? It goes with another charm that's on my purse right now. So that's a good little purchase. And it's really actually pink. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is. Look at you. Look who's right there. Hi. Oh my God, look what I made. Y'all have got to try this. You don't understand from scratch how delicious this is. This is that fettuccine, that spinach fettuccine that I told you guys I wasn't sure I was going to like, and I ended up liking it. And I made it with, let me show you. Where's the container? Because you got to know, put the right ingredients. So I boiled it. It has onions in it. Can you see the consistency of the onions? So it's not fried. It was pre-cooked just a little bit for like 30 seconds. And then I added the shrimp, butter, but make sure you use garlic and herb butters. Okay, it's empty. But garlic and herb butter. Plus I use some of my other butter that's in the other tub. You guys have seen that before. I forgot the name of it. It's more like a margarine. And add a little nature's. This was a key ingredient. Parmesan cheese after it was mostly cooked. A lot of garlic. And I put a hint of that lemon pepper in there. Y'all don't understand how delicious this is. And it's in a butter sauce. Gotta try it. If you guys want me to do it step by step one day, just let me know. Holla at your girl.